Hello and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. I hope you find this channel is very useful for you, where I'm going to share my passion and knowledge with digital art and photography. We're going to look on many applications like Terragen, VUI, environmental applications, as well as processing, Photoshop and all other applications, where I'm going to review software, but mostly I'm going to share with you my knowledge about how to use this application and how to create digital art by using this. As well, some of this knowledge I'm sharing, it is my hands-on, how I'm doing, how I photo shoot. If you're interested in my art, I will suggest to visit chopinephotography.com, where I have more examples of my work. As well, if you want to support it, you can become the Patreon at patreon.com and for the Geekatplay, or go and purchase tutorials directly from Geekatplay website. But again, you don't necessarily need to acquire all of this knowledge. I am making them available for free on this YouTube channel, and they're releasing weekly. So be sure you subscribe to receive notification when new videos, new tutorials is releasing on this channel. So thank you again for visiting, and I hope you're enjoying this channel and find it useful and express your own creativity.